The gaming phone season is out and I have here on my hands the Black Shark 4 Pro. It's the Pro version of the Black Shark 4 gaming console or smartphone. I mean, it's really probably the beast from this series, having a Snapdragon 888. Come on, let's unbox it. So hi guys, it's me Richmond of Gadget Sidekick. So I have here and we just unboxed the Black Shark 4 Pro. So we can see it's a little bit different in terms of texture from the Black Shark 4 base variant. We can see here that it's a little bit like ceramic finish. Then we can see the Black Shark logo and words is made out of chrome letters. Then we can see the triangle here, it's breathing RGB. That's the main difference between this one and the base variant. And of course, the Black Shark 4 Pro has the latest Snapdragon 888 chip, which is a 5G capable processor. It is really probably one of the fastest right now. It's at 5nm size. Checking Antutu, no doubt about it, is 742,000 points, which just blew the competition away. Really, this score is really off the roof. Now, Slingshot Extreme gave it a 9,177,000 points, which is really also off the charts. Now, this phone is equipped with Android 11 Joy UI 12.5, which is probably a little pattern over from the MIUI 12.5, and it really looks familiar, like the MIUI 12.5. And this phone comes with a 6.67 Super AMOLED display, 1080p, HDR10+, 144Hz of screen refresh rate. I can say that it's really, really nice. The colors are punchy. And probably one of my complaints is it only has a Wi-Fi level security 3. I don't know why. Why oh why Black Shark? But watching videos here on this phone, I can say it's nice, it's punchy. I love the color display on this phone. Having 144 Hz of screen refresh rate, it's really refreshing. Having the dual stereo speakers on this one is really giving me a good total entertainment package. And right now, let's pop up this two trigger and enter the shark mode. And I can say that playing games on this one is really nice. I love the physical buttons on this one. For me, it's like playing on a real gaming console like the Nintendo Switch, and it's more immersive. Well, of course, that's just for me. Other people prefer on screen, but this one for me, it's definitely more responsive, the physical buttons. Playing PUBG on this phone, I can say that it's really nice. I can say that I have yet to see any frame drops on this one. This gameplay is really smooth, 144 Hz of screen refresh rate. It's giving me a very nice experience. And on the other hand, playing Call of Duty, I can equally say that it's nice. I have yet really to see any hiccups, and definitely gameplay on this one, having the dual stereo speaker, is very nice. You can also plug in your favorite headphones since it has a 3.5mm audio jack, which is definitely a plus on a gaming phone. And of course, really, the gameplay is really nice. Now this phone comes with a 64MP main camera together with an 8MP ultra wide lens and a 5MP macro lens. Up front, we have a 20MP front shooter. Now let's take some clicks from this phone. Now, taking some photos here, I can see it's surprisingly good. Outdoors, it's really a performer. And front and rear camera, I really have no problem with it. Of course, it's beyond my expectations since this is a gaming phone. Now, this phone is Wi-Fi 6 ready, Bluetooth 5.2, and aptX ready. And I can say that this phone has a smaller battery compared to the industry standard of 5,000. This only has a 4,500 mAh of battery, but take note, it has 120 watts of fast charging capability, which is off the charge. It's like the Mi 10 Ultra, which can take in that fast. Now, charging from 0 to 50%, it only takes you 5 minutes. Take note, it's just 5 minutes. Man, it's really mind-blowing. And to complete the full charge, it only takes 15 minutes. Guys, it's really fast. Now, what can you say about this phone, the Black Shark 4 Pro? Would you prefer this one over the Black Shark 4, or this one? Definitely for me is the better choice. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course, click that bell icon so you don't miss any future videos here from my channel. So I hope to see you on the next one. Goodbye.